I'm Andrew Jenkinson, the Caravan Expert, and welcome to my Caravan channel. Hi everybody, and welcome to another video. Now this video is not on the latest model, as you can see. This video is in a little very quiet location, and it's because I've come to look at this caravan. And this caravan is an Eccles caravan. It's an Eccles Emerald, which was 22 foot long and 7'6" wide. And yes, you could tow this behind your 3-litre Rover, but mainly they were used by circuses, travellers. You have to forgive me, I'm getting bitten to bits, and also people who wanted a static van, what we call today a seasonal pitch in effect. It was a single axle and it came equipped with a solid stove and a full oven. Now I've got this as a year around about 1965-66, but I'll have to look up that when I get back because obviously the paint's faded and everything, but I will be able to check up when I get back home. And also what I'll do is I'll put on shots of what it was like when it was new. So really, these caravans should be preserved. This has got in quite a sorry state, and I think really it's probably been kept there. I bet it's been there 30 odd years, maybe longer, and it was probably kept there because somebody used it actually as like a seasonal pitch. And whether the owners have died and it's basically been just left to go, I can't get right up to it. I wish I could. There's a lot of nettles there, and also it's somebody's property, of course. But I really think that these sort of caravans should be preserved, and it's a shame we're just letting our heritage just go on the caravan industry. Reg Dean, who designed it, he was just a very clever and far ahead guy, thinking out of the box with new ideas, new materials. Reg Dean died unfortunately about 5 or 6 years ago, and I went to his funeral and I met his family, who were great, and they told me lots about Reg that I didn't know, and I'd interviewed him about 22 years ago, and he really was responsible for a lot of clever designs in caravans with Linton, ABI caravans, and also with the CI group, and also his own company, Dean Line Caravans. So this is one of Reg's designs. It was the Newmarket Eccles, when Sprite bought Eccles out in 1960 and moved the company down to Newmarket from Birmingham. Sam Alper, who was the chief of Sprite, of course, gave Reg the full go-ahead to redesign a more modern Eccles, and this is the profile he came up with. They did ones like called the Moonstone, Topaz, Opal, and of course this the Emerald. So, piece of caravan heritage for all you new caravanners who are going and picking up your shiny new vans or whatever. Remember, this is how it all started. This is what we were caravanning back in the 60s and 70s. The Emerald was made from about 1964 to about 1970. I think it was the last model year. I will check and put it on the end of this video. But in the meantime, I'm going to go from this very itchy location. The midges are really getting at us. And please keep subscribing, please keep liking, and I'd love to hear your comments on that and see what you think. And I think it could create some interest anyway. I hope so. Makes a change for all this new shiny stuff now and again. I like to throw something like this in. See you soon, and I'm going to go and get some cream, I think. That's what I'm going to get to. I'll see you soon. Thanks for subscribing, and keep going. Keep safe.